If your mornings need a waist slimming boost, you're in luck. Here are 5 drinks to help you melt belly fat. Start your day right with these simple yet effective beverages. First up, lemon water. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, this drink kickstarts your metabolism and detoxifies your body. Just squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. Next, green tea. Rich in catechins, green tea boosts metabolism and helps burn fat. Brew a cup of organic green tea and skip the sugar. Third, ginger tea. Ginger aids digestion and has thermogenic properties that burn fat. Boil fresh ginger slices in water and drink before meals. Fourth, apple cider vinegar drink. This suppresses appetite and maintains stable blood sugar levels. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in warm water, adding honey if you like, and drink on an empty stomach. Finally, cucumber and mint detox water. Hydrating and detoxifying, this helps flush out toxins. Add cucumber slices and mint leaves to a jug of water and let it infuse overnight. Drink throughout the day. For extra support, consider Veggie Shake Organic Clean UK-made supplements. No fillers, just pure ingredients to help you achieve your health goals. Incorporate these drinks into your morning routine for a slimmer waist and better health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.